This video explains how to set the time and date on your GMA-S120 watch. Press the mode button to return to timekeeping mode. In timekeeping mode, hold down the adjust button for about 3 seconds to start the setting mode. Now, choose your home city from the list using forward and reverse button. Press mode button to set the daylight saving time for the selected city. Toggle the DST setting between on and off using the forward button. Select the time display format setting by pressing the mode button, and toggle the display format between 12-hour and 24-hour format using the forward button. You can select the second setting by pressing the mode button. Reset the second to 0 by pressing the forward button. Now, press the mode button to select the hour setting and adjust the hour using the forward and reverse button. Similarly, use the mode button to choose the minutes setting and adjust the minutes using the forward and reverse button. Press the mode button to select the year setting and use the forward and reverse button to adjust the year. Similarly, use the mode button to choose the month setting and use the forward and reverse button to set the month. Now, pressing the mode button will select the day setting. The desired date can be set using the forward and the reverse button. You can choose the illumination duration by pressing the mode button. Use the forward button to toggle the light duration between 1.5 and 3 seconds. Once the settings are the way you want, press adjust button to exit from setting mode to timekeeping mode. The day of the week is displayed automatically in accordance with the date.